Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to archive your deleted post on Facebook, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then tap on the two lines on the top right corner to come to the menu section, and then here you can see a gear. Just simply tap on it to open up settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, just simply tap on activity log. You'll scroll down a little bit until you get this option. Tap on it, and then here you can find a trash option. Just simply tap on it. In this option you will find all of your deleted posts on Facebook. So if you want to archive them, just you can select them all by tapping on this all, or you can select them one by one, or you can select one or multiple, like in this way. Now tap on archive to archive them. Here you can see we had this archive deleted post. Now if you want to find them, come back and tap at archive. So here you can see we had just archived some of our deleted posts over there. So that's how you can easily archive your deleted posts on Facebook. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel.